Di kayo vlogable ah. Hindi mo na recording eh. Recording yan eh. Lobat? Hi guys. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey, happy birthday. Gumagana talaga siya. O, dali. Birthday to you. Hindi dapat yung gano'n. Yung gano'n. Itodo mo. 1, 2, happy birthday to you. Hindi pa, may itotodo pa yan eh. May itotodo pa yan. Gagi, kinilig si Jay. Hoy, hindi kasi gano'n pa gano'n na. Hi guys. Hindi yan na Family Mart. Doon sa kabila, no? Hi. Say hi to the vlog. Tama kami ni Ate. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog pero nasa Shibuya. Priorities. Shibuya! Shibuya. Shibuya. Dami namin, no? What? Ay, ako hindi pala yun. Sa Shibuya. Tokyo Drift eh. Ting, 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 ting. Ning, ning, ning. Hi guys! We're in Shibuya.
Tapos ang galing kami dito sa Family Mart. I found prosciutto with cheese and then pure prosciutto and then I got mince and then liquor. Tapos meron ako Mont Blanc. It's a pastry here. Alam mo ba yung mga laging kinukuha ko lang dito is food. Nung tinatanong niya ako kanina kung anong gusto ko, nagulat siya may hawak na akong food. Nakakiti na siya. Nagulat siya, nakahanap na ako agad. Hiray ako.
Ganyan.
Wow!
Inom tayo ano?
Baby! Baby, no!
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Kasi sa akin. Social distance. No. Tayo natin.
Cheers.
Oh my God! Sarap!
Ito yung corner. Corner. Ito yung sa'yo.
Ooh!
Hindi. Saglit lang, magampay lang tayo, tapos kukunin na namin.
Andali!
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Bye!
Interview. Okay.
Wait, she's gonna interview you.
Yeah. Is it okay? Okay, go. Okay, so what's your name?
Kenta.
Akenta.
Yeah.
What are you doing here in Shibuya?
I hung out with my friends.
Your friends? Where's your friends?
Where? I don't know.
You got lost?
Yeah, lost.
Say hi. Just say hi to my vlog.
Hi. Say hi. Hi.
What? Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
How many?
No.
How many?
I don't have.
You don't have a girlfriend?
Yes.
A boyfriend?
No.
Are you straight?
Yeah, I'm straight.
So do you live here?
Yes, I live in Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Yeah.
Tokyo.
Yeah.
Tokyo.
Yeah.
Tokyo.
Yeah.
Oh. Why do you know how to speak English?
No, I cannot speak English well. So,
What's your ideal type?
ideal type. ENFP?
What?
Ideal type? What?
Yes. Ideal type on a girl.
What's?
The one the one you wanna marry.
Sexy girl.
Sexy. Only sexy.
Sexy and have a good smile.
Good smile.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What's your name again?
Kenta.
Thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you. Say hi! Say hi, guys! Say hi! Hi!
It was already naughty. It was already. What do you say?
Guys! YouTube channel mo mo!
Nasa baba camera. Because on the Philippines, when you have a tattoo and they touch it, it's like one here. When they touch your body, even if it's just here.
When you touch my body, I'm gonna find. Mami! Akala ko! May mga bata pala akong kasama dito, Mami! Hi, Mami! Dito rin kami! Dito rin kami! Dito din kami! Sino din?
Day?
Kapoy man ay?
Day?
Kapoy man ay?
Nakuha ko siya.
Yeah.
More coins. Wala na kasama.
Meron.
Yan na lang kasi re-recharge natin yung Mami. Gusto niya to. Alin?
Babay nakita akong story kanina. Ah!
Ayusan ka.
Stitch.
So, pauwi na kami. At siya ay lasing.
Hindi.
You're drunk.
Kiss me.
Wow, may camera kami. Camera. Camera.
Uh-oh. She's drunk.
No, ako yung background music. Oh, kagatin mo ulit. Kagatin mo ulit.
Uh-oh.
Nalasing sila. Nandito kami sa train station.
Did you know I'm drunk right now?
Pangit ko man.
No. I'm drunk right now and we're going to the convenience store wearing these.
He loves you.
I love you. It's quite near actually. Just about 50 steps. It's 50. Or less than 50. I don't know. Based on how long your legs are. English? I'm so sorry. Look at my wife. She's so pretty, isn't she? Mwah! I love my wife.
We're here.
I think we're not allowed to have videos.
Four lang. Okay. 4 lang, baby. Hindi nila yung oh, yeah.
And then 2 lang.
Oh, here. Put it here. Basket. Hey, everyone. Nandito kami sa kainan. Kami lang dalawa.
Diba ang gulo-gulo ng vlog namin, walang kung ano-anong sequence, kung anong pinagkagagawa namin kasi nakakalimutan namin mag-vlog. Stress na siya.
Dami kong nagawa.
Stress na siya.
Noah.
Magastos daw kasi yun. Stress
Ano?
na siya.
Di talaga siya magastos ako talaga.
Tama. Bye kami pasalubong.
I love you.
Mamaya yata, after nito magpunta kami ng, ng temple. Punta kami ng temple.
Prosecco.
Dito kami sa resto, mag-i-eat kami ng food. Can I cook it?
Hi guys. Nag-iit kami ng yakiniku.
Can I cook it?
That's a tango.
Tangal. Ano?
It's the rice. Matamis.
I want this one po.
Okay po. Ayan na siya.
Ano yan?
So, nandito kami sa Asakusa. Tapos, that? You want that?
Yes, and this one.
Okay, what's
This one.
you call that?
How much for this?
One is
Together?
No.
Only this.
Yeah.
Okay, you pay na. May bag. Hi, Bob. What? Bob. Yummy? Can I taste?
It's good, right?
No.
Not too sweet, but it's good. It's just like parang gelatin.
Kaya.
Okay, what's the focus? Wow!
Let's go.
I'm sure you like it.
So sabi niya, hindi ko daw nagustuhan. Eh, masarap nga. Gusto ko lang ma-enjoy niya.
May maka.
Eh.
Ayaw na niya makuha ba? Kusupin kita.
Bob. Hi guys. So asan tayo? Asakusa. Alis. Nasa Asakusa kami. Asakusa.
Ano kami puntang temple.
Yep.
Tapos sa dami ko ni eat.
Ay, dun tayo magano. Say goodbye to this place.
Bye-bye. See you soon. Kala ko pa man yun, ano siya, dito siya magpo-propose. Hindi pa rin pala. So, baka next location.
Yun, Bob. Next location yun, sure na ako. Oh, propose na.